there are two sides. We have the County Assembly of Kirinyaga, and we also have the governor, who will also be given an opportunity to defend herself on the issues that are being raised by the County Assembly. The Senate will be, normally is a house of integrity. We expect that it will be fair, so that everybody gets justice. They will look at all that is there, just like a court. Remember that then the Senate acts as a court, and as a court, you deal with what has been put before you, not speculation, not hearsay, and all that. The senators will be looking at what is before them, and they will be able to make a decision as a house. And we expect that it will be fair to all sides. Yes, we have received a copy of the proceedings. We've now handed it over to the legal team to start looking at what has been brought, just in preparation for now prosecution using either way, like I have explained earlier on. The signed copies by all the MCS, and then the deliberations of the County Assembly. All I can say is that the County Assembly of Kirinyaga have done their bit. You know, that is within their mandate to carry out oversight, to do this within the law. Now the ball shifts to Senate, because now the Senate is the one that's going to look at that, and that's also within the mandate of the Senate to make a decision. So I think for now, let us leave it at that, so that we wait for the outcome of what the Senate will decide.
We are very happy because nobody in the Assembly who voted to impeach Waiguru, and we are very happy about that. We are here so that our residents of Kirinyaga to see what being done. So we are very happy. Yes.
There was an opportunity to come and explain herself. The allegation which has been raised, they are not just allegations, they have been well researched, and I can say that we are getting a lot of information from that side. And I think it's high time that the governors and other leaders should learn at least to come out and clear things when they're asked. The only reason that you will not want to come to the Assembly to clear allegation is just unless it just means that you know they are true. So on our side, I'm very happy. We are working and we are doing oversight, and I think Kirinyaga County Assembly is the assembly of the first. We are the first to do the Punguza Mzigo because it was not favoring Wanjiku, and we are the first also to impeach a governor who has been grossly mentioned because with the allegation of corruption. It's not the first time one governor has been mentioned in corruption cases. I think he was mentioned in NYS and now in Kirinyaga. I think we have to clear Kirinyaga. Thank you very much.
So I'm very grateful. I feel so satisfied that the intention of the motion has been fulfilled. And this one is a joy to the people of Kirinyaga, because this is a call they have been making for years. Because since the governor came into office, least that can be said about her delivery, least can be said about her service to our people. And actually, today is a great day, is a day of joy. And I'm happy and I'm proud of my colleagues, because they stood with this agenda, they stood with this motion, and we have delivered. We are just waiting for the Senate to do its part.